Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Sendinblue or Brevo for email marketing. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically the first thing to do is to have like contacts or prospects so you can start send them your campaigns and automations. And basically you can simply go to contacts and from here we will find like contacts and this is here the list of contacts that we have and simply you can start importing contacts if you have some kind of database or anything and you can choose whatever you'd like to have and after that you have your list of your contacts etc. You will be needing to start like sending them campaigns or to start like adding them in the campaigns. And basically another way to start having uh, contacts is to basically either creating landing pages or creating forms. And from there, you can start sending these forms into your websites or anywhere so you can start adding your growth or growing your audience. After that, we need to start creating campaigns. And as you can see, there are many type of campaigns. Either you can start having email sending campaign or SMS, WhatsApp, or anything. We are interested in the email, and from here you can choose like either the regular campaign or the A/B test one. So I'm just going to go with this one. I'm just going to click on create campaign, and from here you will start managing your campaign. So in the add the recipient, we will add just my list. So basically, in my case, I only have one list, and in your case, you will have many lists, and you can add them there. So I'm just going to click on save, and in the sender, you can choose whatever you would like. You can edit your sender, you add the subjects, and basically it can be anything, testing. So I'm just going to do like that. You can have your text, and as you can see, it gives you some preview. I'm just going to click on this, and now you can start having any design that you would like for your email, and then you save and publish your own template or your own campaign. So I'm just going to click on let's do that, save and quit, and basically now you will be able to start publishing your campaign. So you can schedule it and either you can send now to these people or for later, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.